Hello. My name is Christian Angel, and today I will be showing you how to set up and use Typeit Pro. Once installed Typeit Pro on your PC or laptop, you will need to go to All Programs and look for it. Once you have found it, open the folder and right-click on the icon, and then select Send to. Now click on Desktop, Create Shortcut. Now you can see that I have got a shortcut on my desktop. By default, Typeit Pro will start up every time your computer starts up, and will be on your toolbar by the computer clock, and it sits on your desktop too. You can switch this off, and I will tell you how in the next step. Click on your Windows icon found in the bottom left corner of desktop, and type in msconfig where it says Start Search, and then hit the Enter key. If on Windows XP, you will need to click on Continue, and for Windows Vista or Windows 7, you need to click on Allow. For Windows 8 or Windows 10, you will need to do Ctrl+Alt+Delete on your keyboard, and then click on Task Manager. Now you will need to click on the tab called Startup. Now you should see a window called System Configuration. Click on the tab that says Startup, and untick the box where it says Typeit in, and click on Apply, and then OK. It will ask you to reboot your PC, so do this please. For Windows 8, you just scroll down the list, and click on Typeit Pro, and then click on the Disable button. You do not have to do steps 3 and 4 if you don't want to. It is that just I do it this way. If you have brought yourself a copy of Typeit Pro, this is how to register the product code. You right-click on the Typeit icon found on your taskbar, and then click on Enter Registration. Now type in the details you got in your email, and then click on Get Verification. This will open up a browser window. Just copy and paste the verification code that you find on the browser window, and then click on OK. Where it says Examples, all you do is a right-click and highlight New Group, and then click on it. It will open up a new box, and just type in what you want to name it. Now you can see, I named my new group as New Group. Now right-click on where it says Example on the button, and select New Button. Now click on where it says New Button, and a box will open up, and click on Save and Close. Now right-click on the button you have just made, and click on Edit button. Now you need to add the short key. Click on the little button found to the right, where it says Shortcut Keys. It looks like a keyboard. Put a tick to the left of where it says Control, and select a letter as well, and then click on Update key. Now you will need to add a button name. For example, I have put in Jungle Gym No Knocking Rules. Now where it says Text to be typed, you need to add the rules that you want, and make sure each line has Enter Delay 5 Enter in it. Now click on Save and Close. Please remember this, never use Ctrl+C or Ctrl+V, as these are your shortkeys for copy and paste. Also, you might have noticed that the button doesn't show all of the title up, and in the next step, I will explain how to widen your buttons. Now this is how to make your button width wider. Right-click on the button you want to widen, and select Button Width, and then left-click, and another window will pop open. Type in 200, and then click on OK. I have made it the widest a button can go, and in step 12 I will be explaining how to change your font on the button. You will be able to see it all fits now. Now this is how you delete a button. Right-click on the button you want to delete, and then another window will pop up. And then you need to click on Yes. Now right-click on the button you want to change the font, and select Button Font. A new window will open up. Now select the font you want the font to be. For example, I have chosen Comic Sans Ems, bold italic, and size 10. Now click on Apply, and then on OK. Now right-click on the button that you want to change, and select Edit Button. A new window will open up. Now you will need to click on the palette that you can see, and this will open up another window. Now click on the down arrow where it says Text Color, and select the text color you want. Now click on the down arrow where it says Background Color, and select the background color you want. Now click on OK, and then click on Save, and Close. Now you will be able to see that your button background and font color has changed. Now right-click on the button you want to make higher, and select Button Height, and then click on OK. Now type in 40, and then click on OK. Now when you want to run type it in a macro, you will need to press, for example, Ctrl+8 press together, or Ctrl+ short key letter. Also please make sure that your cursor is in the window that you want the macro to run in. Do not open any other window, as it will make type it in run in that window instead. That is all you need to know about Type It in Pro.